This is a Signal TF12 Hassock fan. The serial number would put this as a being dated from 1949. The interesting thing about this fan is that it's completely made of wood rather than metal like a lot of the Hassock fans of this era. It's kind of got an interesting little inlay down along the bottom area of the fan plenum. It's just not a design feature that you see a lot of. Something that would go nice in a ranch house, which is sort of like what I live in, really. But it's interesting in the design because it's sort of future think looking as well, with the kind of ring air diffusers that go around the upper portion. Now we're going to tip this fan back and show you the business end. I'm going to twist it around a little bit because it is on 3 feet. This is a 3-bladed fan that it has 3 very deeply pitched, aggressively pitched propeller blades. And the motor is actually mounted up above in the diffuser cone. We're going to tip this back up right now and give a little demonstration of it running. So the first speed is high. And this is a pretty nice quiet fan. Even on high, the noise it makes isn't really objectionable. It's just very much a moving air type of noise. We're going to take it to the next speed, which is medium. There really isn't much difference in the speeds that this has. One of the things I think might be the reason for that is that the speed coil might be either defective or maybe it's on its last legs. When you put it over on low, which we will do now, it does have a little bit of a distinctive speed that it goes down into. You can definitely tell. It's sort of like what I think medium would be like. What's odd about it is it occasionally goes down to what I really think is the low speed. Now the switch immediately behind that is where the speed coil is, and behind that is a fairly big 4-pole motor. And all I really did to this fan was put a new line cord on it, because the original one, somebody had just like ghetto rigged it with a bunch of electrical tape and wire nuts, and they just didn't really do it correctly. I took this fan completely apart and soldered the cord on at the proper points and used heat shrink tubing to seal everything up. So that's pretty much it. I will post more detailed close-up photographs of this fan on the DT Vintage Fan forums as soon as I get a new digital camera, which I should have in the next few days. So if you're interested in seeing more information on this fan and close-ups of like the motor tag and everything else it has, I'll post a link to all of that. At any rate, hope you enjoyed my quick demonstration of this fan and this quick look at it. Later.